Good evening, everyone. This is Manav Singh, and I'm here to give my project pitch on automatic toll collection system. Let's start by taking a look at what it is used till now and why. We know that a well-developed transport system is one of the key factors for a wonderful lifestyle. Traveling through roads is a major part of an individual's daily routine, which directly contributes to a nation's productivity. With this said, it is important to have a feasible transportation. That's where this idea pitches in by reducing the cost over the functionality government-induced toll collecting system Plazas has. If we take a look at the current system, we can conclude that it works on two different patterns: the closed toll collecting system and the open toll collecting system. Our country is heavily dependent on the closed collecting system till now. This can be again divided into two different methods, which are the manually handled tolls and the RFID based ones. The manual ones are the generalized systems with the person handling the ins and outs, while the RFID could be understood by a simple example of FASTag, which are scan-based methods. Let's emphasize a little more on why this would be a great initiative. The current system is far more time-consuming and a lot more dependent on funding over infrastructure. Individuals traveling through these tend to wait several minutes in queues just to clear a single RFID scan check. This happens because the vehicles go through a specific toll zone, and this gets even more time consuming if one encounters a manual toll collecting system instead of the RFID ones. Yet, alone the cost required to maintain these are enormous. Another example of a failed system would be the modified RFID system, where the scanners are placed at regular intervals along the roads rather than being at a plaza. But the problems that hindered with this was RFID scanners are not great at capturing cars over a certain speed limit, which means there had to be a speed regulations near these scanners. That could also imply the overspeed cars can easily escape the payments. Now let's see our recommended system, which is a solution to the problems mentioned beforehand. This is a GPS-based tracking system which works with the GPS inbuilt cars that are connected with the satellite to monitor the vehicle's exact location and its travel pattern to calculate and validate the distance it has traveled on a toll road, which would determine the amount to be deducted from the individual. The main reason why this method is great, it involves a little too infrastructure involved, which means it's less cost effective and and this also concludes that there will be less traffic throughout the highways, meaning for a smoother driving experience. The components required for this would be a Raspberry Pi, a GY Neo 6MV2 GPS module, Arduino Nano IoT, Wi-Fi router modem and adapter. Our team members for the same are myself Manav Singh and Tushar Sharma. Thank you.